Hey, it's Locksmith here. All right, we're going to do another quick video for you. We're going to change the battery out on our 4-button remote here on our Ford. So with this task here, make sure your key ring is off of there. You'll need a flat tip screwdriver or a quarter. I'm just using a glorified flat tip is what we use. Notice you have the indentation here. Go ahead and put your flat tip in and just twist it and twist. And you notice it pops open. And there we go. Here's our battery, the CR2032 battery. Go ahead and push it to the top, and sometimes it'll release. If it does not, this is when you be careful. See that little metal piece right in here? See if I can get a better angle for you. You're going to put a flat tip in there, just the corner, to pop that battery out. And when you do, there you go. This is why you don't want to push too much in there, because you'll break that piece there and you'll break this here. And here's where your transponder chip sits. So when you put this back in, positive side's up, negative side's down. You'll put it in towards a little tang like so, and push it down, and you'll feel it seat itself, and its pressure is holding it in there. So let's go ahead and reassemble it just by snapping it back together. Hey, you just did it. Thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if this video helped you out. Check out our playlist. There's a lot of do-it-yourself stuff in there and stuff for the homeowner. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.